Friends, welcome back to N1 N2 tutorial. I'm N2 and in my previous video I had given you a short introduction on tenses and please watch my previous video to know something, to have some idea about what is tense. Now, this is my tenses part 2, episode 2, and today I will be explaining about the simple form of present, past and future tense. So let's start. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense tells us about actions which take place daily and situations which do not change. So, in simple future tense, the situations do not change and the actions take place daily. Whereas in simple past tense tells us about actions which has taken place in the past or the actions which had been done daily in the past. Like, what is simple past tense? As you can see, it's written here. Simple past tense tells us about actions which took place in the past, either daily or which happened at a specific time. So as I explained you, it's written here. What is simple future tense? Simple future tense tells us about actions which will happen in the future. Means the actions which will happen or which will take place in the future. So, note, in simple future tense we use shall or will plus original form of the verb. For example, it means in a sentence, if it is written a word like draws, so in our future tense, the word draw will remain as it is. The word will only be added in this sentence. And shall is used with the pronouns I and we, and the word will is used with the pronouns he, she, you, they and it. For example, shall I go to school? So, we will be using the word shall with the pronoun I as said here. And in the next one, will you go to school? So, we are going to use the word will with the pronoun you as written here. Now, I will be giving you some examples of the simple form of the tenses we have done now. Examples. Simple present tense. She draws a cat. It means she draws a cat means it is happening in this present time. She is drawing a cat now. She is drawing a cat now means it is happening now. This action is taking place now. Present tense. Jack subscribes N1 N2 tutorial means he is subscribing our channel now. He is subscribing N1 N2 tutorial now. Present tense. Simple past tense. She drew a cat. She drew a cat means she had done this activity in the past. Jack subscribed N1 N2 tutorial. Jack had already subscribed. He has already subscribed N1 N2 tutorial in the past. Now in the future. She will draw a cat means she is going to draw a cat. She hasn't done the activity yet. She will be doing it. Number 2, Jack will subscribe N1 N2 tutorial means he has not done this activity and he is not doing it now. He will do it in the future. And as you can see, in this in simple present tense it is draws. In simple future tense it will be drew, and in simple past tense it will be drew. And in simple future tense it will be will draw. Number 2, in simple present tense it will be subscribes. In simple past tense it will be subscribed. And in simple future tense it will be will subscribe. So as you can see, I've explained you. Now we've come to the end of our video. Please like and share our video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.